Hi everyone. Sorry, I think Hyderabad Times had like a bad connection. So I could see all of your questions and I didn't get to answer all of them. So I'm going to answer your questions for a bit before I carry on with the rest of my day. And people asking to join, hundreds of you, but so please, hi from Karnataka. Hi, I was just there. Say my name, Adit. So if you guys have those questions that I could see on that Shalom, on that page, then I'll be happy to answer them for a bit before I get into the rest of my day. Thank you. Thank you. I'm very well, Rahul. I hope you are well and safe and taking care of yourself. I am wearing lenses. I'm wearing hazel lenses, which are kind of like my eyes only, but they're also powered because I can't really see without them. Love you from Hyderabad. Thank you. Hi, sister. Hello, brother, sister. So if you guys have any questions, my next movie, I'm going to be starting Vakil Saab and finishing up Crack, and yeah, that's it for now. Tamil Vanakkam. Ungalukku Tamil Vanakkam. Oh, I actually read that quite quickly. I'm so slow at reading Tamil. It's very embarrassing. Love you too. Vanakkam from Malaysia. Hi. I haven't been there in ages. Hearts. Big hearts. Questions? Any questions before I go? My next song is releasing really soon. I'm sorry that there's been such a long gap between Edge and the next one, but very, 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 very soon. And it's going to be fun. And I hope you love it because it's like super special. Trying something new. And I'm super stoked. So I think you'll like it. But I hope you love it. Please, please, क्या? मेरा नाम बोलो. Hi Mahinder. बोल दिया आपका नाम. ठीक है? Any questions apart from me saying your name? Hi. My next movie, as I mentioned, is Vakil Saab. And I would sing a Tamil song, but my throat's like really scratchy today. I would love to sing a song, but I'm like, today. Sorry. Hi. Saptingla. Kind of. I had egg for breakfast and then I forgot about my lunch. Hi Karan, Catman. I've been tested. I don't have COVID, so don't worry about the cough. Hi Ujwala. Thank you Harish. So I've always been one of those people who is like super sensitive to like weather change when I go from city to city. And I've always ignored it in the past because it's not felt so scary. But now I'm like little bit gargar or whatever and I'm like, but I get tested like so often. My nose is like not happy with me. Any more movies with Akshay Kumar? I'd love to. It was such a pleasure working with him. So I would love to. Hi. Hi from Bangladesh. What's your name? Sorry, I missed that. Hi Abir. So hi Sriram. Happy birthday. Yes, thank you. So the Hyderabad Times connection was a bit shaky. And then I felt so bad because I could see all the questions and I didn't answer them. So, questions please. Hi Prabhakar. Hearts to you too. Post more pictures. இன்னும் எவ்வளவு pictures post பண்றது? Unlike some people ask me like, are you always on Instagram? And I kind of am. Like even when I'm busy, just love staying connected, and it allows me to like be myself with all of you, and I really value that. Thank you. Thank you so much. Everyone wish Sri Ram a happy birthday. My favorite actor apart from my daddy is Marlon Brando. I also love, gosh, such a long list, but Marlon Brando is like up there. Hi. Hi. I love you too. Thank you. Next movie with Surya. Therila. Hopefully, I mean, I've done 2. So, I mean, there's been a lot of like 3 patterns in my life. Like, I'm starting my 3rd film with Pavan Kalyan Garu as well. So, yeah, maybe soon. Oh, you're missing the makeup tutorials. I've been like so busy with real work now after the, lockdown has kind of opened up. But Tamil theriyuma, but na English la edhuk pesrena ellarkum puriyanumla adanal. So yeah, once I get a little bit of free time, maybe I'll do, or I will make time. Why don't you guys tell me what you would like to see in the makeup tutorial, and then I am here to deliver. Hello Vendaka. Hi. What is our question? I missed it. Appa Vikram trailer super. Na solren. I also really loved it. Actually. Hello. क्यों हिंदी बोलूं? Bollywood, I am doing more stuff soon. Something interesting coming up. So you shall see me. Hello. Thank you for all your lovely compliments. Someone's typed. Love you too. Thank you so much. Any questions? I have to literally bounce in 5 minutes. Hi, Coimbatore. I am so fond of that city. Tell about Why Are You. So, Why Are You is this amazing show that Rana's come up with, and I'm really happy to be a teeny tiny part of it. I think it's like super fun and innovative, and I don't think there's anything like it really. So, it's awesome. I'm missing a few questions. Have you ever watched Bengali movies? Yes. Old ones of Satyajit Ray, and I need to catch up more with like new ones for sure. Bengali cinema has always been amazing. I wish I could speak Bengali as well because I think it's a beautiful language. I am currently in Hyderabad. Yes. Malayalam, I only know like Una Karcho, which I think is the most important sentence, or where is the food? My daily routine depends from day to day, really. And thank you. I oil my hair. Depends from day to day. But yes, oiling my hair before a shower is a part of my daily routine. I live in Mumbai predominantly, but I've been in Hyderabad for the past 6 months. Hyderabadi biryani is like, I saw a question about that. So good. My favorite. I know. I miss Clara more. She's really happy. I don't know if she misses me as much as I miss her. Thank you. I'm very good. Noor, how are you? Do I speak Marathi? This is so embarrassing because I'm part Maharashtrian, but I don't. I understand it, but I don't. I am in Hyderabad. Why did I choose psychology? I never finished studying it, but I absolutely love the human mind and the way it works and what motivations and intentions and feelings and how the brain processes it and the subconscious. And I'm still very interested in all of that, but I didn't continue studying it, but I read up a lot on it. I studied till my 12th and then I got an associate degree in music. I do like Kolkata, sorry. I love that city. It's so historic and I remember coming there for Durga Puja and it was just stunning. I love, in anime, I love Arjun, demi-human, I'm obsessed. How am I so intelligent? I don't think I am, but I like using my brain and assimilating knowledge. When am I getting married? I don't know and I don't care. Thank you. தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்லணும் சொல்லுங்க. Thank you so much. తెలుగులో ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నాం చెప్పు. నా తెలుగు కొంచెం వీక్ అయింది యాక్చువల్గా. My name, it's on top of my page. Any web series you watch? I just finished The Crown. So good. I don't know if I liked it as much as the previous seasons, but it was very interesting. My greatest fear is snakes. So scared. Hey D. Hello. D, do you have an interesting question for me, mate? My favorite web series of all time? I don't have one, but I love The Crown. I love Stranger Things. I loved The Fall. Who is this? Smart look. Thank you. Sattamela evlo buttons. Who's my crush? My crushes keep changing. Currently, I'm crushing back on my old crush, Benicio del Toro. Thank you, Vishal. That's a lovely compliment. I love it when people think I'm interesting. I'm very well. I hope you're well. Ajay keeps laughing. How many stories do I share on Insta? I don't know. 20? 10? Depends. My favorite color is black. Hi Chaitanya. Thank you Prashant. The Bangalore photo shoot was so beautiful. Thank you. It was such a last minute thing and if you know, my friends make fun of my net tops and I was like, I have nothing to wear. And there in the corner of the suitcase, you know, like where you keep your socks and stuff, I had like this net top and I was like, I really do have too many net tops. Someone's like, are you a camera? Because every time I look at you, I smile. My favorite Bollywood actor of all time is Dilip Kumar. I know I'm a bit old school at heart. Talavadi, I don't choose. Hi Appu. हिंदी में क्या बोलूं आप बताइए. आप लोग सब कैसे हो? अपना ख्याल रखो. Stay safe. Hi Andrea. I am very much single and very glad about it. Hi, Prabhu. Any questions? What's the question? I'm not blanking your question, mate. Ask me your question, D. What did you say? Thank you. Sorry, D, the questions are going so fast. D is an amazing, talented producer and dear friend from London. And he's obviously asking me something funny, which I've missed. Hi, Solunga. Hi. நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன், நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? My first movie was Luck. Hi. I love that word chechi, it's so sweet. My favorite color is black and then pink. Appa nalla irukkaru, thank you. Do you know, sometimes Appa வந்து சென்னையில இருக்காரு. Hi. Wishes from Afghanistan. Hi. My favorite food is boring all sambar sadam. நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன் அரவிந்த், நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? My favorite city, so many, but one of my favorite cities is London. My favorite holiday trip was to LA when I was a kid and South Africa. I loved it. I got to pet lion cubs. I would love to write stories, books or scripts, but maybe in the future, hopefully. I'm very well. My favorite color is black and pink. When I'm upset, what is my favorite place to go to within myself? My favorite song is Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles. I listen to Edge every single day. Thank you. It's so beautiful when people love your music. Thank you. I will tell Appa. I don't drink, so I don't have a favorite liquor. What do I do when I'm angry? I kind of like shout and then I feel bad and then I collect myself and then I say, okay, it's gonna be fine. I love you too, thank you. My favorite person to chit chat. Currently, I cannot reveal. टैटू मैंने इसीलिए किया क्योंकि मुझे टैटूज पसंद हैं. A goth look in movies anytime. I hope so. That would be cool. Can I sing like I sang on the couple show? You mean like old songs? I'll do one live where I just sing old songs. Next song coming soon, I promise. Thank you. Hi. So I'm going to go in 5 minutes. Well, no, 3 minutes. Halloween. Halloween. What's my all-time favorite cockney? What do you mean, mate? Like my all-time favourite, like Captain the Well? I don't have a favourite Cockney character. Probably that guy from, what is that, Sexy Beast movie? Are you a PUBG girl? Am I? I don't know. I don't think so. I tried playing it. Wasn't my vibe. Really? You're welcome, D. Favorite singer? So many. I learned so much from other singers. Ray Winston. That's the one. Yup. Thank you. हिंदी सॉन्ग आज नहीं, अगली बार जब मैं लाइव करती हूँ, आई प्रॉमिस. I'm missing so many questions. Hello. Hello, young Raja. What's up? Hi, I love being called Shruti Akka by cuties on Insta. Thank you so much. My Powerpuff Girl. Which Powerpuff Girl do you think I am? I feel like I'm Buttercup, but sometimes people say I'm like Blossom, because I do have like a responsible side. And but I love that episode where Buttercup has to learn to control her temper, and she goes to this monk's abode, and she learns to control it, and then Mojo Jojo shows up, and then the monk himself is like, kick his butt. That's my favorite episode, I think. And the Sandman episode. Any more questions? Dee, are you done with your Cockney questions and that's it, mate? தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்லணும் சொல்லுங்க. கேள்வி கேளுங்க, தமிழ்ல பதில் கொடுக்கிறேன். I'm very good, thank you. How are you? Thank you for the love. Kisses, hearts. Hi Arif. What character would I play in? Okay, I didn't get that question, sorry. What's MCU? Am I not cool? Thank you so much. Someone thinks my voice is magical. Which movies do I like most? The Godfather, Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind, and Jurassic Park. And Mughal-e-Azam. And all of the Lord of the Rings. The Matrix. Okay, I'm just gonna stop. Recently, you know what I miss? I miss going to the theater and eating popcorn and watching movies. Okay guys, I'm gonna bounce. So, I'm sorry the Hyderabad Times connection was so weird, but I hope I answered some of your questions. And I just wanted to say thank you as always for all of your love and support. It means so much to me. I'm eternally grateful. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care of yourself and okay, bye.